What's up, guys? It's your girl Dad, and I'm back again with another video. This is part 3 of the how to make press-on nails. So if you didn't watch 1 or 2, head on over. It's just part 1 is just showing what all you really need to do your press-ons and how to get started. And part 2 is doing the actual application and how to, make them look natural and everything. And part 3, you'll see me actually applying them onto my nails. So the first thing I did, as you can see, is I pushed my cuticles back. Anytime I do any kind of nail service, that's gonna be always the first thing that I do for the most part, is pushing the cuticles back, making sure I'm getting dead skin and stuff like that from under it. So now, as you can see, I'm just taking the shine off all 10 of my nails. Now, I'm not, using my e-file how I would use it on the client because it's a little awkward doing my own nails. I'm just doing what works for me. So, after that, I'm going to dust my nails off and I'm going to cleanse them with my Young Nail Swipe and make sure all the, other stuff is off the nail and stuff like that. So, and then I'll come right back in once I get to that step. Now that my nails are all prepped and ready to go, as you can see, I'm using my KDS nail glue. That's really the only nail glue that I use. It's super strong and it dries pretty fast. So you can get that from Amazon or quite a few different places that sell them. So now all I'm gonna do is just take each nail off the stand, and you want to make sure you're getting the sticky sticker thing from under the nail, so it can actually stick how you need it to be. But you can also put those sticky things on your nails and then just take the tab off and then put your press-on nail on, and that's actually what they're for. They're not really used to hold them on the stand, but that's just how I do it. So you can do it that way if you don't want to use the glue. But one thing to keep in mind, if you do that, you're still going to have to, go about taking the nails off in a more healthy way than just snatching them off, even if you don't use glue. So, I just put a line of glue in the middle of my nail because I really don't want the glue to run on the sides. So I do that, and I put a nice amount on each one. And when I go in with my nail, I try to kind of get the nail like up under my cuticle if I can, because I don't want it to look like it's sitting all over it or right on it or anything. So that's kind of the technique that I'm using, just kind of like tilting the nail down and then just kind of sliding it up under there if I can. And I'm going to do that for all 10 of the nails. And I'm just flipping my hand and making sure that they're straight before they're fully dry. And I'm also pressing them down, making sure that the whole nail gets glued down when I push it down. So that was a little hard to do, you know, staying on camera, because you want to make sure they're straight and you want to make sure they're not coming out. So I do that for all 10 nails. And one thing I can say, I would have liked my cuticle area to be a little bit more flush. So next time I would probably not put the top coat on before I put the nails on. And once I actually get them on with the glue, or sometimes I use acrylic too, and I would just kind of go around the cuticle area with my bit and just kind of make that a little bit more flush. And then you can dust the nail off, swipe, and go in with your top coat like you actually did your nails. And that'll give you a more natural look. Here's the finished look of them. I think they did turn out really good. I haven't made too many press-on sets, so they turned out really good. I'm really happy with them. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.